Welcome to the Boss Max Fitness channel. Welcome to low-carb fast food hacks. Today we're tackling a subject near and dear to every busy person out there: fast food. But here's the kicker: we're doing it the healthy way, without the unnecessary carbs bogging you down. Yeah, you heard me right, healthy fast food. Listen, I get it. Life can be a whirlwind of chaos. You're rushing from work to the gym, picking up the kids, maybe even squeezing in a date night. Who's got the time to whip up a gourmet meal every night? That's where these fast food hacks come in. We're going to show you how to navigate those drive-through lanes and greasy menus like a culinary ninja, dodging carb landmines and coming out on top with a delicious low-carb meal. Get ready to transform your on-the-go eating habits, because this is about to get interesting. Plan ahead. Don't be like everyone else. Right, before you even think about setting foot in a fast food restaurant, listen up. Planning ahead is crucial. It's not just about avoiding bad choices. It's about making informed decisions that align with your health goals. Don't be like most people rushing into the drive-thru with no clue about what you're going to order. That kind of impulsive behavior can lead to poor choices, regret, and adding on a few extra pounds. That's a recipe for disaster, ending with you stuffing your face with greasy, carb-laden rubbish. You deserve better than that. First things first, check the menu online. It's a simple step that can make a world of difference. Most fast food chains have nutritional information readily available on their websites. Use this to your advantage. Take 5 minutes, look it over, and find options that fit your macros. It's a small investment of time for a big payoff in health. It's all about being smart and taking control of your choices. Don't be afraid to call the restaurant directly if you need clarification on ingredients or portion sizes. It's your right to know. You have every right to know what you're putting into your body. Don't settle for less. Take charge of your health. Your body would be very grateful. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm hungry. I really can't be bothered with all this planning. But hear me out. Trust me, a little preparation goes a long way. It can be the difference between a healthy meal and a regretful binge. It's the difference between staying on track with your goals and heading towards a carb coma. Your future self will thank you. Think of it like this. You wouldn't go into a business meeting unprepared, would you? Treat your diet with the same respect. Your body is one of your most important assets. A little planning will save you from making impulsive decisions. It's about being proactive, not reactive. And while you're at it, why not pack some healthy snacks to keep you satisfied throughout the day? It's a simple way to stay on track. A handful of nuts, some carrot sticks, or a protein bar can work wonders in preventing those hunger calls that lead to bad decisions. Keep them handy. Remember, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. It's a mantra to live by. So be smart, be organized, and take control of your fast food destiny. Your health is worth the effort. Bunless burgers. Ditch the bread, not the flavor. All right, let's talk burgers, those glorious symbols of a lot of cuisines. Juicy, flavorful, and oh so satisfying. But here's the catch. The bun is the enemy. Yes, that seemingly innocent bun is a sneaky saboteur. That fluffy white bread is a carb bomb waiting to derail your progress. It's packed with empty calories and refined sugars. But fear not, for there's a simple solution. Just go bunless. Yes, you heard me right. Most fast food chains offer the option to ditch the bun and wrap your burger in lettuce, or serve it on a bed of greens. It's a game changer. Don't let them tell you it can't be done. Be confident and make that special request. I've stormed into enough kitchens to know they can handle a simple request like that. Trust me, it's not rocket science. And if they give you any lip, just give them the Gordon Ramsay stare. You know the one. That usually does the trick. Now let's talk customization. This is where the magic happens. A burger isn't complete without the right toppings, but be mindful of your choices. It's all about balance. Load up on fresh vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and pickles for added flavor and nutrients. They add a satisfying crunch too. Avoid sugary sauces like ketchup and relish. They might taste good, but they're loaded with hidden sugars. That will send your carb count through the roof. Always check the labels. Instead, opt for mustard, mayonnaise, or hot sauce for a flavor punch, without the carb overload. These condiments are your friends, and don't be shy about asking for extra protein. More meat or vegan-friendly alternatives means more satisfaction. A double patty will keep you feeling fuller for longer and help you hit your protein goals. It's a win-win. Remember, we're not here to play games. We're here to make smart, healthy choices. We're here to conquer those cravings and stay on top of our nutrition game. It's all about making the right choices. So, ditch the bun, pile on the protein and veggies, and enjoy a burger that's both delicious and good for you. It's a simple yet effective strategy. It's a win-win situation anyone can understand. So go ahead, enjoy your bunless burger and savor every bite. Now, you might think you're playing it safe by ordering a salad. After all, salads are supposed to be healthy, right? They're the go-to option for anyone looking to eat light and stay fit. Well, think again. Not all salads are created equal. Salads can be a minefield of hidden carbs and calorie bombs if you're not careful. What looks like a bowl of health can sometimes be a dietary disaster in disguise. First, let's address the elephant in the room, the dressing. It's often the biggest culprit. Those creamy, decadent dressings can turn a perfectly healthy salad into a dietary disaster. They can be loaded with unhealthy fats and sugars. Avoid anything creamy like the plague. These dressings can add hundreds of calories to your meal. Ranch, Caesar, Thousand Island. They're all loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats. They might taste great, but they're not doing your waistline any favors. Instead, stick to simple vinaigrettes or ask for olive oil and vinegar on the side. These options are much lighter and healthier. That way, you control the amount of dressing and avoid drowning your salad in a sea of calories. A little goes a long way. Next up, beware of the toppings. They can be sneaky little calorie bombs. Croutons, tortilla strips, and candied nuts might seem innocent enough, but they're nothing but crunchy little carb bombs. They add unnecessary carbs and sugars. And don't let me get started on those dried cranberries and sugary fruits. They're often coated in sugar. They're like sweets masquerading as health food. They can spike your blood sugar levels. Stick to fresh vegetables, lean protein like grilled chicken, fish, or a vegan-friendly option. Also, healthy fats like avocado or nuts. These ingredients provide essential nutrients without the extra calories. And if you're feeling really adventurous, add a sprinkle of cheese for extra flavor and satisfaction. Just be mindful of the portion size. Remember, a salad is only as good as the ingredients you put in it. Choose wisely and make every bite count. So be smart, be selective, and don't let those hidden dangers sabotage your healthy eating efforts. Your body will thank you for it. Listen up. When it comes to fast food, it's not just the food you need to watch out for, it's the drinks too. Those fizzy drinks and milkshakes are nothing but liquid sugar, sending your blood sugar levels soaring and sabotaging your health goals. Hydration is key, and the best choice is always water. It's calorie-free, sugar-free, and essential for keeping your body functioning at its best. So ditch the sugary drinks and make water your go-to beverage. If plain water is too boring for your taste buds, try unsweetened tea or coffee. Just be mindful of added sugars and sweeteners, and do your best to avoid those artificial sweeteners. They're worse than a kitchen nightmare. Diet sodas might seem like a good alternative, but they're not doing you any favors either. They're filled with artificial ingredients and can actually increase your cravings for sugary foods. So steer clear and stick to natural, healthy options. Remember, hydration is crucial for your overall health and well-being. So make smart choices and quit those sugary drinks. Your body will thank you for it. Alright, now that you're armed with the knowledge to navigate the fast food jungle, let's put it into practice. Here are some of my top picks for low-carb victories at popular fast food chains. First up, Chipotle or Nando's. This Mexican-inspired haven can be a low-carb paradise if you play your cards right. Skip the burrito and opt for a salad bowl with your choice of protein, fajita veggies, salsa, and guacamole. Avoid the rice, beans, and corn unless you are vegan, as they can be loaded with carbs. Next is Subway. This sandwich giant can also be a low-carb haven if you know what to order. Ditch the bread and go for a salad with your choice of protein, veggies, and a low-carb dressing. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, try a protein bowl, which is essentially a salad without the leafy greens. And last but not least, McDonald's. Yes, even the Golden Arches can offer some low-carb options. Order a double cheeseburger, hold the bun, and enjoy it wrapped in lettuce. Or, for a lighter option, try the grilled chicken salad with a low-carb dressing. Remember, these are just a few examples. With a little creativity and the right knowledge, you can find low-carb options at almost any fast food chain. So don't be afraid to experiment, ask questions, and make substitutions to fit your dietary needs. There you have it. Fast food doesn't have to be the enemy of your health goals. With a little planning, smart choices, and a dash of Ramsay-style determination, you can conquer those cravings and stay on track with your low-carb lifestyle. Remember, It's all about making informed decisions and choosing options that fuel your body without sacrificing flavor. So next time you're ready to order your food, don't despair. You've got the knowledge and the power to make healthy choices, even in the face of fast food. Now go forth and conquer those drive-thrus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more culinary tips and tricks. If you want a customized keto diet plan tailor-made for you, then click the link in the description below, or visit our website. Until next time, thanks for watching.